And here's what's left of the derby car. This should be its final resting place before it gets crushed. But I figured I'd do a little aftermath video, show you guys kind of all the stuff that went good, all the stuff that went bad. Let me just walk around it quick. I took the tires off, saved those. Figured if I run a Taurus again, I'll have some good tires for it. But I didn't do much smashing in the back. I feel like I could have done a lot more. Got the trunk open here, and just to give you guys a look at these notches that I made, I think I made 2 solid hits with the rear, and you can see those notches, it did exactly what we wanted them to. They sucked the trunk in, and it looks like it was gonna start rolling upwards if we would have did some more hits with it. So those notches worked very well. But this is a front end car. The front end did very well in my opinion. The main issue I encountered was how I installed the battery box here. I just put sheet metal screws down in there to hold it down tight. I thought that would work, but looking back, that was a dumb way to mount it. I should have made some cuts in the floor and just ran a ratchet strap all the way around it and sucked it down. First couple of hits, that battery was flying everywhere and it was very hard to deal with. But, you know, my first demo derby, you live and you learn. So let's pop the hood here, show you guys kind of what happened. So I did rob some parts off of it, so if I run a Taurus in the future, I might have some good parts. But when I first looked, this spark plug wire came off, so we were running on only 5 cylinders. That's why I was having a lot of hard start issues. It wouldn't start, but I was able to get it going, and we actually took first place. So this turned out to be a very good car to run. And if you look here, this fan did get smashed up where it wasn't working. I'm glad I didn't put this fan in. As you can see, it would have been right up against this hot exhaust, probably melted, caught a fire. Looking in under here, looks like the radiator hose busted right down there. Lost our fluid, and yeah, we probably lost some fluid from getting hit right there as well. But you know, it did really good with the overheating. It didn't overheat too much. Even after I lost all the coolant, I was able to drive this thing back up onto my trailer. So very good front end. I feel like I still could have done a lot more smashing with it. This turned out really good. I was worried that you'd lose some structural support right here, but you're not allowed to hit the doors. So in theory, you know, if people are hitting you here, it could cause it to tweak more, but you know, it did pretty good. So I think I'm going to do that every time I run a Taurus that hit all of our wires, because if we wouldn't have moved it, that hit that we got hit here, yeah, it probably would have pinched some wires. It's a bad pinch point, so glad I did that. But all in all, this thing did amazing. So if you guys are going to run a Taurus, I made a video showing you guys my process on how I built this. And yeah, I think it's a winning build. Appreciate you guys for watching.